Ika is the political pillar in Anioma land, and they should be respected by Ukwuani, Oshimili and Aniocha people. It is disrespectful for any other person in Anioma land to be contesting with Okowa, says an Ika person that is supporting Ifeanyi Okowa. Listen to what this Ika person said. Okowa, a god and his people. A staunch supporter of the former governor of the state, Mr. Alex Bueni, was quoted to have said that without Senator Ifeanyi Okowa, Delta North would have no place in the state's political circle. Mr. Bueni stated that Delta North was nowhere in Delta political game until Okowa came into the scene and took charge. He called on Anioma to show some respect to the man called Ekweme, which is Okowa, because he has made more men than any other politician in the senatorial zone. Mr. Bueni concluded by reminding the people of Delta North that the Ikas are the political pillar of the zone in the state and should be respected more. According to him, it is disrespectful and a mark of ingratitude for any Anioma politician to want to contest for any position with an Ika person. He ended up with the quote, "A tenant does not drag a house with his landlord." This information came from a Facebook group called Anioma Voice. What that person is trying to say is that Ika people are superior to Ukwuani, Oshimili and Aniocha people in this Anioma land. This is how some Ika people are seeing Okowa. They feel say Senator Ned Nwoko not reach to occupy Senate 2027. Say as Okowa dey aspire to take that position, say Senator Ned Nwoko suppose just hand am over to Okowa. Say Okowa na political giant of Delta North. Say Okowa na god of Delta North. That is the mindset of some Ika people. Ika people, some of them just get that mentality of they are superior to other people in this Anioma land. We go talk am, anybody where you go pay, make e pay. This have been the mindset of some of these Ika people. Some Ika people are supporting Okowa, not because they love Okowa, but because Okowa is their brother. They want to make sure that their brother Okowa is at the top of Anioma politics. Even if he dey lead Delta North people go astray, even if he dey spoil Anioma land, make he occupy that position. Now those kind of people now make this comment so. He say Delta North was nowhere in the political circle of Delta State if not for Okowa. Say as Okowa enter the game, Delta North face come dey show for Delta State politics. As Okowa come show up, what is the benefit of his government to we Anioma people? Nothing. Okowa show up for more than 20 years, Ukwuani not get light. Good road we not get for Ukwuani land. Nothing is working in Ukwuani land, but Okowa was the senator representing the entire Anioma land for 4 years. He was the governor of Delta State for 8 years, yet he not do anything for we Anioma people. And an idiot is there saying that Okowa should be respected by every Anioma person. Say nobody suppose dey drag political seat with Okowa. Say Okowa na who? Person wey write this rubbish, you go surprise say no be person of 20 years, 20-something years write am. Na person of 40-something years and above na him write that rubbish. Positioning Ika people against Ukwuani people, against Oshimili people, and against Aniocha people. So Ika people are now superior to we Ukwuani people. Why they not go dey superior to we Ukwuani people? I be say so many of our Ukwuani youth not the reason fine. As Okowa thought say no make Anioma State join Southeast, so many Ukwuani youths are happy. And what this person talk na true? Now Okowa dey control Ukwuani land. As Ukwuani land dey now, now Okowa dey control Ukwuani politics. Now Okowa dey control Ukwuani politicians. As Okowa dey control Ukwuani politicians, who be that person for Ukwuani land to dey contest with Okowa when it comes to political seats? The person talk bitter truths. As he be say na Okowa dey control Ukwuani land, na him dey choose person wey go dey represent Ukwuani people for National Assembly, just like he choose Ezechi wey dey represent Ukwuani people for House of Reps. Just like as he choose Monday Oyeme, the deputy governor of Delta State, to be the deputy governor of Delta State. So nobody for Ukwuani land go fit come out. They thought say you want the campaign for position where Okowa dey campaign for also. As Senator Okowa dey campaign to secure him position as the senator representing Delta North in 2027. This person wey write this thing talk say Senator Okowa not supposed to dey campaign. Say he is supposed to leave that position for Okowa because no other person for this Anioma land reach a car person. Say a car people are superior to other people in Anioma land. Person wey talk this thing, he get evil mindset, and with that statement he is putting a car people first above every other Anioma person. How many Ukwuani people are putting Ukwuani first? As they talk of Anioma state creation, Ukwuani people, they not even get any arguments. Ukwuani people not talk say we want the capital to be in Ukwuani land. At least make it show say Ukwuani people they put Ukwuani first. Ukwuani people not talk say we Ukwuani people we want to produce the first governor of Anioma state. They not talk like that. Nowhere where you go see Ukwuani people, they campaign for something where go put Ukwuani first. The only thing they do now, they do like they tell say we Ukwuani people we don't have light for more than 20 years. We don't have light. They talk. The last time one Ukwuani person go National Assembly, they protest with some Ukwuani people for that place. They talk say Ukwuani don't have light for more than 20 years. You think say na by protest? If to say we talk say we want Anioma state just online, they talk am, and Senator Okowa not the National Assembly, they champion that thing, they sponsor the bill for we to get Anioma state. You think say Anioma state for don't reach this level? If to say Ukwuani youth really want light for Ukwuani land, say they want development, they go they support Anioma state creation and the southeast zoning. The geopolitical zone of Anioma state is not supposed to be a barrier to the creation of Anioma state. If you are not person really want states, geopolitical zone is not supposed to be your problem. Your own are to get the states and get the benefit that comes with a state. Why you can't people not go to rule us for Anioma land where they say so many of our people for Ukwuani land not know themselves? You go see those set of Ukwuani people who say they don't make Anioma state join artists. They talk say Igbo means slave. We don't want to join Igbo people so that people will not be calling us Igbo. That means slave. But you are a slave to Ika people. You are a slave to Okowa. Slavery they pass like that. Igbo people they call slave, they are doing far more better than you. Come Ukwuani land, you go talk say this place is a refugee camp. Southeast where they destroyed during Biafra war. Go that place. The Southeast is the most developed region in the whole of Nigeria. The most developed geopolitical zone in Nigeria is the Southeast. People where they destroyed for Biafra war. Come Ukwuani land, people where call themselves Indian easy. Make you see as Ukwuani land be like refugee camp. They don't get light for more than 20 years. Underdeveloped region. Poverty-stricken region. Just imagine wetin person talk. Say Ika people are above we Anioma people. Say Ika person, like one Ika person is more important than we Ukwuani people. Why they no go tell us like that? Why we say some Ukwuani people get the mindset of a slave. You are a slave to Okowa. Okowa they talk say no make Anioma join Southeast. You Ukwuani person say your region dey backward, you support am. Ignoring the achievement of a state. Ignoring what you will benefit if we get Anioma states. Why that Ika person not go write that rubbish? Okowa where EFCC accuse say he steal 1.3 trillion naira. Now some Ukwuani youth they campaign for him to go back to the Senate. Slaves. This thing where this person writes for here. Another word for that thing now. Other Anioma people are slaves. That we Ika people are freeborn in Anioma land. Come police. Now Ika people full police for this Anioma land. No checkpoints for Anioma land where they say 3 police officers where they don't be Ika people. For this Anioma land, if we just reach checkpoints, speak Ika give the police person. He go tell you say him be Ika person. Say he come from Umunede. Say he come from Abo. Say he come from Akomaze. Police na Ika people full police for this Delta state. Civil service na them full civil service. This person don't see all these things. Now why they talk all these things? This is why they tell us so na fact. As we talk now, some people get say he's trying to cause division. Listen to wetin the person say Listen to Rafael. Now wetin him talk at the judge so. Because this is why him talk now. Now wetin we take our eye dey see. Ukwuani, Ika, Oshimili and Aniocha people, we are brothers, we are one family, we are one blood. But we go dey talk that truth. Any party where any region for this Anioma land they do, whether na Ika, Ukwuani, Oshimili and Aniocha they do am, we must surely speak against it. This person wey talk this thing now, no be only him get that mindset for Ika land. There plenty. Now why many of them they support Okowa, their brother, where they sabotage the creation of Anioma state and the southeast zoning. They are not saying wetin their brother they do not good, but they have to support him so that Ika will be on board. So that Ika land go dey lead the politics of Delta North. Some kind of people there that say they don't want Anioma state. Some Ika people are there securing the position of Ika land to make sure that Ika remains at the top. Some kind of people they feel say that thing where Okowa thought say you know make Anioma state join Southeast, say make it dey for South. They think say Okowa is saying it in favor of Ukwuani land. They don't know say he dey talk that thing in favor of himself. He dey talk that thing to secure him pockets. By that, he is enslaving other regions in Anioma land. The people in they enslave the most na Ukwuani people. But some of them don't know. Person they stand against state creation wey go benefit we Ukwuani people. You are not Ukwuani person they support am because you have been enslaved. Slave where chain dey in neck better pass slave where be say the chain dey in brain. Slave where be say chain dey for him neck, him agenda na to break that chain run comot. But the one where chain dey for him brain, he go dey follow his slave master, dey defend his slave master. And that is what is happening to those Ukwuani people that are supporting Okowa. Slaves that don't have chain on their neck. Slave where chain dey in neck, if he break that chain, he go run comot for safety. But the one where chain dey for him brain, he own don finish. That one is gone. Such a slave is irredeemable. You can never free that kind of slave. As we dey here, they clamor for we Anioma people to get Anioma state. Make better thing come Anioma land. Some Anioma people think say we dey play. Some kind of people they reject in internet woko, they reject Anioma state. Okowa is trying to enslave them, to keep them backward so that he will be able to be controlling them. Some Ika people understand wetin Okowa they do. Then they support Okowa to make sure say Ika is at the top. Ika they get light, Okwuani not they get light, but some Ukwuani people they not the reason now. How Ukwuani go take get light? We go only get light through Anioma state creation, and that is why we are expected to support Senator Ned Nwoko. I know they tell you say make you like Senator Ned Nwoko. Support Senator Ned Nwoko for what he is trying to give to you. Politics is a game of interest, not love. You don't play politics for love, you play politics for interest. America, they play politics for interest, what they will gain. Our own for Ukwuani land, no, we love Okowa. We don't like Ned. Tinubu wants to give us Anioma state. Tinubu don't give us the state. We don't like you. Because we don't like you, we don't want Anioma state. Carry your state and go. Southeast, where we say free Anioma people, join Southeast. Now we Anioma people go dey control Anioma land. Politically o, locally o, internationally o, now we Anioma people go dey represent Anioma land. Now Anioma go dey produce governor, senator, House of Reps member, king, councillor, and so on. Yet they no wan join Southeast. You just want to make sure that you are being called South because of that name South. You don't want to join Southeast. That is the mind of an enslaved person. You don't want to grow. You don't want to have a state. Other people they agitate say they want state. You wear Southeast, they pity, give slot, say join us. We are one people. You say no. Say you want to be in Delta State and remain a slave to Okowa. See wetin Ika person dey write. Say other regions for Anioma land not reach Ika land. Say Ika people are superior to Ukwuani people, Oshimili and Aniocha people. Can you imagine? We call ourselves brothers, we call ourselves family, but the kind of politics wey they play for our mind against other region is very bad. Fulani people don't say there be one people with Hausa people, but deep down they enslave Hausa people. Now waiting Fulani they do Hausa people. Now waiting Ika people when they do us for Anioma land. We be one people, but e no dey reach una mind. You want to enslave we Ukwuani people? We dey under Ika people. Can you imagine? If we still get Anioma state now, some Ika people go still get that mindset, say that they superior to other Anioma people. And when that time go reach, we Ukwuani people go start to dey agitate, say we wan get Ukwuani state. Make we leave una for the Anioma, make una and Oshimili and Aniocha dey there. Make we get Ukwuani state, make we dey our day. Make we use our resources for Ukwuani land. Take dey grow Ukwuani land alone. We know say Ukwuani for Ukwuani alone. No be resources where the Ukwuani land they take dey power the Ika land. How many crude oil wells dey for Ika land? Abavo have crude oil well, yet they are suffering. When we went to Abavo, their elders were telling us that they are Igbo people, that they are in full support of Anioma state and the southeast zoning. That they are suffering in Abavo, even with their crude oil wells, they are still suffering. Who be the oga kpatakpata for Ika land? Na Okowa. Okowa dey position. His people are suffering. Abavo wey get crude oil, they suffer. Which people dey chop the money? Okowa wey EFCC talk say he still 1.3 trillion naira. Na some Ukwuani people dey campaign for. Okowa don enslave so many Ukwuani youths mindset. They don't know. They think say na only people wey chain dey their neck be slave. They don't know say mental slavery is the worst kind of slavery ever recorded in the history of humanity. Those Ika people wey get this mindset, make una stop that mindset. Make una not think say we forget this thing. This thing where this person talk now, we carry am for mind. We go begin dey watch Ika people closely now, because this is the mindset of so many Ika people. Anioma bofu, Ika no Ukwuani bofu, but you know they wish us well for your mind. The same thing wey una dey accuse artists of, say artists we marginalize we Anioma people, but for this Anioma land where we dey now, you Ika people, some of you are marginalizing us by saying that Ika people are the ones that are expected to be in the political space. Say Ika is superior to other regions in Anioma land. In this Anioma land, no region is superior to another. We are one people. Ika is not superior to Ukwuani. Ukwuani is not superior to Oshimili and Aniocha. Let's respect ourselves in this Anioma land. Anioma people should do well and support Senator Ned Nwoko for Senate 2027. And make sure that Anioma state is being created and zoned to the southeast, because that is the only way for we Anioma people to get Anioma states. Okowa is not good for we Anioma people. We will keep resisting Okowa. Okowa will never go back to the Senate. Anioma is one. Anioma bofu. Ishegwale.